Okay, so we're going to go over the addition principle, right? So as stated in that introduction, right? So the addition principle states that one event right, can occur m ways. And then we have a second event all right, can occur n ways. Oops. All right, and there is no overlap in between these two, right? So there's two separate events. There's no overlap, and we're not restricted to two, right? There can be up to as many events as we like, right? We just kind of, without kind of any loss of generality, right? We can extend this principle to be to 3, 4, etc., right? And the same result, same conclusion holds, right? So there's no overlap. Then we could say there are m plus n ways that the first and second can occur. Okay. All right. So like, for example, so now let's take a look at an example. Not event. That's the right example. Excuse me. So let's take a look at an example. So let's say a restaurant offers 3 chicken, 2 beef, and 2 vegetarian options, or entrees, let's say. All right, so the question is, how many entree options are there? Okay, so again, here there's no overlap, right? A chicken is strictly a chicken, beef is strictly a beef, etc., right? So it's important with these types of problems, the counting principle ones, that we kind of understand what is being asked of us, right? So here we're not asked to make any kind of choices. We just want to know how many of them are available, right? So for something like this, right, it's a pretty straightforward problem in the sense that, well, I just need to know the total number, right? Where that would be 3 plus 2 plus 2, right? So that gives me 7 entree options. Okay, so very basic, right? Well, we're just trying to count things up. We use the addition principle. There's no overlapping between the events, which there wasn't here. And then we simply just use the addition principle. Notice that, right, it's not asking us ways that I can choose one of each, right? Like how many different ways can I choose a chicken, a beef, and a vegetarian option? Right now, that type of problem requires not the addition principle, but other principles that we'll see moving forward, right? But strictly, our first one is a very easy one where we just want to count up the different possibilities, okay? As long as there's no overlap between the two or the three, in this case 3, then all we do is we just count them right up, okay?